All right, to automatically dial an extension on your Android phone, it's actually super easy. So what you'll do is go to the phone app, and on the keypad, type the phone number you're calling. Pretend this is the number I'm calling, and the extension I want to use is number 5. Once you have the number typed, tap those 3 vertical dots. There's 2 options here. You can add a pause, or you can add a wait. The difference is that using pause adds a 2-second delay, and then automatically dials the extension digits with no action needed from you. If you need a longer delay, you can just add 2 of these 2-second pauses back to back for a 4-second delay. Or you can use the wait option instead. This will wait for the call to connect, then display an on-screen prompt asking you to send the extension. So basically, it'll input the extension for you, but you'll need to manually confirm before the phone dials the extension number. So let's say I want to do a 2-second pause, and then my extension. I'll type that in. Now, I can either directly call from here, or I can use the plus button to either create a new contact with this number and extension, or update an existing contact if I already have them saved without the extension. And that is how you automatically dial extensions on Android. Click that like button if this video helped, and subscribe for more guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.